day everybody, it's me again, Prof B. Welcome to grade 7 Algebra lesson 2. Today we're still busy with whole numbers and we are going to look at operations with numbers and the relationships with numbers. Now these relationships got nothing to do with your boyfriend or girlfriend. Don't get too excited, but there are anyhow some exciting stuff. Let's get going. We need to understand the difference between ascending and descending. Ascending means increasing, means going from the smallest to the largest, like in this example here. Descending means going from the largest to the smallest, means it's decreasing, and using the same numbers they will look like that. When comparing numbers, in mathematics we use symbols to indicate the relationship between them. If a number or an expression is the same than another number, we use the equal sign. Like 45 plus 45 is equal to 90, or 90 is equal to 90. If a number of a value is however smaller than the other, we use the less than sign. And the less than sign looks like that. The sharp point points to the smaller number and the open end to the big number. Big mouth, big number. If a number or a value is greater than the other number, we use the greater than sign. And it's just the opposite from the less than sign, but we still have the larger number at the open end and the smaller number at the sharp point. When comparing numbers, when you just look at the series of numbers, it's not always easy to see which is the smallest number, which is the largest number. However, if we put them on the number line, and we start with the smallest number on the left-hand side, and we notice that they are increasing by 1 every time, you can note them down on the number line. And now it's very easy to know which numbers are larger than the other numbers. To the right is larger, to the left is smaller. Here's a block. And you have to fill in the missing numbers. To do that, you need to find out in which direction the numbers are going and by how much they increase or decrease every time. Now, just by looking at this side, I notice that from 20,000 to 60,000 means they are increasing. And I can see that that block is halfway. So halfway between the 20,000 and the 60,000 is 40,000. In there it's easy now to see, comes in 30,000 and there 50,000. Going this way, I see that there's a 27,000 here and a 30,000 here. So we need two numbers in here, which would be 29,000 and 28,000. And this way it would be easy to notice that we increase by 10,000 going this way, and we increase by 1,000 going that way. Which number is halfway between two numbers? If we look at these two numbers, we will notice that this one is the smallest and that one is the largest. To determine the halfway mark between those two numbers, the best way is to take the larger number, subtract the smaller number. The difference is 16, which means halfway of 16 is 8. So we need to go 8 this way or 8 that way. And if we subtract the 8 from the largest number, we'll get 54,316, which will be exactly the same as if we've added 8 to this number. Determining a number, the next number in a series. It's very easy. Just make sure that you can see with how much it is increasing, and you will very clearly see from 903,678 to 903,679. It increases by 1, it increases by another 1, increases by another 1. So the number missing is 903,682. Exactly the same applies here. We start with a smaller number and we increase by 1 every time. So the missing number after 938,613 is 938,614. If we need to write numbers in ascending order, we need to first of all find the smallest number and then just increase it by the 1 or so that we can find the next number. Smallest number here is 323,357. If I increase it by 1, I'll get 323,358. So we go on until the largest number there. When we want to do it in descending order, we have to start with the largest number first. And in this sequence, 226,703 is the largest number. That one will follow it, and so it will decrease every time by 1 until it gets to the last number. Let's use our new signs. What is the relationship between this number and that number? This one is in a 200,000 somewhere, and this one is in a 500,000 somewhere. So it's clear that this one is larger than that one, or this one is smaller than that one. When you look at this one here, 475,000 something is smaller than 477,000 and something, so we need that sign. The sharp point to the smallest number. When we look at these two here, we first have to do a little calculation. If we subtract 100 from 4,544, we'll get 4,444, which is 1 less than 4,445. So this is the larger one, so we need that sign. Here, 800,000 plus 60 will be 800,060. And they are exactly the same. Little problem to solve. I have 9 digits, and now I have to write the biggest possible number I can. Now remember, with our place values, the ones start at the right end, and the more greater the place value, we go to the left. So let's start with the largest number on the left hand side, followed by the next one, and the next one, and the next one, because we can use one digit only once. And there's the answer. The opposite way around will just be start with the other way around. To write the smallest number will just be start with the smallest number first, going up. And then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you get that one? I'm sure you did. Bye for now and keep up the good work. We'll chat again.